Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can remove Shopify store password. Okay, so whenever someone like your customers visit your Shopify store, they see the password, so they have to enter the password to access your Shopify products, homepage or collections. Now what you guys need to do to remove Shopify password, first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Of course, that's the first step. Now after that you want to click here, okay, online store. Okay, you want to click on online store. Now after guys you click on online store, what you need to do guys next, after you click on online store, you want to click here, okay, where it says preferences, okay, and then you want to scroll down here, and here you will see the password. Okay, here you will see this box checked, and here you will see the password. It can be a number, it can be like words or whatever, like characters. Now you just need to remove the password and check, and then you want to uncheck the restrict access to visitor the password. You want to uncheck it, and in the top you want to save the changes. Now let's say that you are not able to uncheck this, it's buried and you are not able to uncheck it. That means you are not paying for the Shopify plan. So what you guys need to do in this case, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on plan, and here you want to select a plan, because Shopify doesn't allow people to have their accounts like they are not going to allow you to remove password from your Shopify store if you are not paying for Shopify plan, if you don't select a plan on Shopify. So the first month is going to be $1. Okay, just select here the plan, which is the basic one. That's why the start like the that's what I selected. I selected the basic. As you can see, it's the first month is $1. Okay, so if you did this and still you are not able to remove the password, that means you have like set a password like using the page fly. You just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels and see if you have downloaded like page fly, because page fly like helps you create a password page. Okay, just need to uninstall it, just uninstall it. Okay, find it, right click on three little dots, click on uninstall, click again on uninstall. That's it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to the comments, tell me exactly what is your questions, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, drop a like on this one, and see you guys in the next video.